sense.
Okay, here you go.
Okay. That doesn't even... Okay.
You can hold it like this.
Okay. Whoa there. Come on. Give me. Give me! Ah! Ah! Darn it! He escaped. Oh my goodness, look at these pretty leaves.
Okay, let's go.
Those are blueberries! Oh my god, blueberries! They're dead.
They're not blueberries, they're grapes.
I meant to say grapes. They're grapes. See?
They're raisins now.
Oh. That's very gross.
Eat one.
No,
Eat a raisin, come on.
I'll smell it. It's dry. Yeah, those are grapes.
Okay, let's go.
I just had a really ripe grape and it was gross. I mean unripe. Ripe. Rape, not ripe. I mean ripe. Gosh, what am I saying? Oh my gosh, look at these pretty leaves.
Is this Olive's nature show?
Yes, this is Olive Nature Show, by the way. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. This is Olive's Nature Show. First, we'll go up here. Ew, little fruits. Little fruits. Right over there. I think they might come from. I think they might be olives or something. But I don't know, cause I'm an olive. Anyways, here's our doggy woggy. Oh, that's not a fruit, by the way.